Are you short on time and long on clutter? Everybody tells me, oh, Kat, I don't have time to declutter. I'm so busy. Everybody's sick. I had to work extra at work. My kids have so many things that they're in. I have to do so many Christmas programs, whatever it is. And we say we don't have any time to declutter. But that's not true, because you have to look at your day and say, if you plan out your day, you can see the time that you have available. It's very unlikely that you will overlap in things you have to do every day. If that's happening to you on a consistent basis, I'd like you to think about reorganizing your life and reprioritizing your days, because that is not healthy. But more than likely, you really do have time. You might be wasting time, but if you don't waste time, you have time to do a 15-minute declutter every day in a zone. This week, we're doing the kitchen. 15 minutes of throw away, put away, give away, staying in one spot, and at the end, taking the garbage out, taking the giveaway to the back of the car, and putting the few things away that you found in there. So today, I want you to make 15 minutes to declutter. Make it a great day.